Aidin Salih introduces circadian rhythms, showing how light meals and rest align the body for healing with soft music. Question: why does blood pressure rise, and can nature explain it? A. The body's clock reacts to dawn and season, signaling balance. Question: does the intention behind a meal matter as much as its timing? Answer: mindful eating mirrors gratitude and nourishes harmony. Question: are root causes illness only symptoms, or do deeper imbalances shape health? A. Traditional wisdom links imbalance and emotion to the whole person. Q. How should viewers apply this while honoring Islamic values and science? A. By aligning with nature's clock, practicing moderation, and embracing Salih's holistic framework.